Hey everyone, how's it going? So summer is on the way and lots of people are starting to plant flowers and different things in their yard and they want it to look really nice. So one of the things that I want to show you guys how to draw today to help you get in the mood for summer is a watering can. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our watering can, I'm going to begin right here and we're going to make a line that goes down at an angle. So we'll begin here and I'm just going to draw a line that just comes down. Then I'm going to make two little lines that come down here and a little line across. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and another one that's going to come down here. And you can see I kind of went out a little farther. Now to connect these, I'm just going to make a little bit of a curved line, a little bit like I'm making a long stretched out smiley face. I'm going to add two little lines down here, and I'll make that same line just to connect it. Next, let's add the handle. I'll begin right here by making a line that's going to go up, and it will come down. And another one that's going to go up and it's going to come down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. I'll make a little line down and we'll make another one that's going to come down. Kind of looks like a teapot right now. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and one that goes up here. And I'm going to connect it. Then we'll add a little line that's going to go up, it's going to come down and over. Now starting right up here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to go up, it's going to go over, and then it's going to come down for like that little handle on top. Now right on here I just want to add a little face onto our watering can. So I'm going to begin by making a circle shape for an eye and another circle shape over here. And I'm going to put a little black dot inside each one. I'm going to make a little smiley face that goes down and then it's going to come back up with a little sad face for the tongue. And then finally you can just come in here and color this part of the mouth in real quick. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little watering can. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.